Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy and pretty pattern. This pattern can be used in your ladies cardigan, sweater, shawl, scarf. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit stitch. You will knit all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and before this 4 rows repeat pattern you will need to knit 2 base rows and then you will start the repeat pattern. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast in and you will need to cast in multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 15 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12, and plus 1 extra stitch 13 and 2 edge stitch 15. So row 1 right side, first we are going to knit 2 base rows and then we will start the repeat pattern. So for the first base row, purl all stitches because this is right side, so knit your edge stitch through the back loop and purl all stitches on the right side. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Second base row, knit all stitches. Wrong side, knit all stitches. Edge stitch and in front slip on the wrong side. So we have done 2 base rows here, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, row 1 right side, purl all stitches, row 1 right side, purl all stitches, row 2 wrong side, knit all stitches, we have done row 1 and row 2. Now row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, and before you start the repeat, first purl 1 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1 and drop this stitch. See, drop this stitch like so and undo 3 times. 1, we'll knit 3 loops here, 2 and 3 times, right? 1, 2 and 3 times, and knit this stitch. Now knit this stitch with these 3 loops like so. And in back first, knit this stitch with these 3 loops and wrap the yarn around 2 times, 1, 2, like so. That's the repeat, sorry, and then purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. This is the repeat pattern. Purl 1 and this stitch and purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 1, drop this stitch 1 3 times, 1 2 and 3 loops, and then this knit this stitch with these 3 loops with 2 times wrapped yarn. Two times wrapped yarn and purl 2. One more repeat. We have one more repeat. Purl 1 and in back drop this stitch 1 2 and 3. These 3 loops knit with this 1 and wrap the yarn around 2 times. 1 2 like so, and then purl 2 1 2. So we have done 3 repeats from here to here, and your last edge stitch knit. Row 4 wrong side, knit all stitches. Slip your edge stitch and knit all stitches. This stitch unwrap like so and knit. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 4 rows. You're going to skip your 2 base rows, these 2 base rows, and you're going to start from row 1 and end with your row 4. Repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.